Are you someone whose idea of a breakfast meal is simply incomplete without eggs? How do you like to take them? Boiled, scrambled, sunny side up, or made into a fluffy omelette? But what if you were told that the egg on your plate might not be safe? In the US, the Food and Drug Administration, or the FDA, has now elevated eggs bought from a certain store to its highest risk level. Let's just break this down for you. Last month, a New York-based farm operation recalled its eggs in a total of 5 states. According to an FDA notice, the farm issued a voluntary recall for 10,800 retail units of organic pasture-raised eggs. Why so? As per reports, the company said in a statement that the recall of the eggs was initiated due to a potential Salmonella contamination. What's worrying is that, as per the statement, the eggs were distributed in 25 stores across Alabama, Georgia, North Carolina, South Carolina, and Tennessee, beginning November 22, 2024. 25 Costco stores. What's more, the company added that these eggs, which were not in fact intended for retail distribution, were instead packaged and distributed in retail packaging, which was also why the recall was initiated. You see, the concerns intensified, prompting the FDA to elevate the recall to Class 1, which basically means that consuming the product could lead to serious health consequences. Last month, cucumbers shipped to the US and Canada were also recalled for a potential Salmonella contamination. But what exactly is Salmonella contamination? As per Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, the CDC, Salmonella is a bacteria that causes an illness, and those infected with it experience diarrhea, fever, stomach cramps. Salmonella can sometimes cause infection in urine, blood, bones, joints, or the nervous system. Salmonella infection is usually caused by eating raw or undercooked meat, poultry, and eggs or egg products, or by drinking unpasteurized milk, which is basically unprocessed milk, which might contain bacteria. The incubation period, that is the time between the exposure to the bacteria and contracting the illness, can range from 6 hours to 6 days. What are the signs to watch out for, and who is more prone to getting it? Often people who have Salmonella infection think they have the stomach flu. According to the FDA, children younger than 5, the elderly, and people who are immunosuppressed, or those with a weaker immune system, are more likely to get severe infections. In the US, Salmonella is the most common cause of food poisoning. According to the CDC, Salmonella causes about 1.35 million illnesses, 26,500 hospitalizations, 420 deaths in the US every year. What's the way out? Here are some tips, which include storing raw meat, poultry, and seafood away from other foods in your refrigerator, using eggs within 3 weeks from buying them, not consuming eggs and other items raw or undercooked unless pasteurized, thoroughly washing utensils and surfaces with hot water and soap if they come in contact with raw eggs. Remember, it's better to be safe than sorry when it comes to protecting your health using adequate food safety measures. To stay up to speed with the latest news, download the WION app and subscribe to our YouTube channel.